Welcome to the channel. Today's video will be a quick do-it-yourself video on installing taillight guard covers. If you guys have seen this video on my channel before, is when I had the film put on the tail lights, which started to come up. So it made me go to Amazon and want to buy these to replace it. This is the package that it arrived in. And these are some of the things that you'll need to put them on. You'll need some alcohol and a clean rag or either a paper towel. As you can see here, I am removing the old film that was bubbling up and coming off. And as you can see, it's not that difficult to do and it doesn't take that long. And you have to do this for all 6 tail lights. And this is what it'll look like once you're done. Now, in order to apply the tail light covers, you got to take some alcohol and clean the tail lights real good all over so the adhesive or the 3M tape on the tail light cover will adhere to the surface. As you can see, I've installed 2 already. And here's what it looks like when all 3 of them have been installed. Now this is the other side. You want to repeat the process that you did for the other 3 by cleaning the surface with the alcohol. Again, this doesn't take long at all. You just want to make sure that you clean it real good so the 3M tape will adhere. This is what the 3M tape looks like on the tail light cover guard before you do it. So all you do now is you just kind of put it in place, gently push it in place till it's all level, seating it in properly. Then you press on the edges where the 3M tape is, but not too hard where you'll damage a tail light or even the tail light guard. And you do this for all 6. This is what it looks like when it's completed. I think it came out really nice. It didn't take no more than about 20 minutes. A real easy do-it-yourself.